Let's take a look at how to use a meeting template to schedule a new meeting. I'm in the Meetings group page. I'm going to select Schedule New Meeting. So I can select a previously scheduled meeting and copy that. So you see it pulled in the title. It pulled in the previously invited people. I can edit that title. Let's call it, let's just call it Part 2. And let's go ahead and enter some details on that meeting. And we can go ahead and schedule the time. So I got the time recorded, ready to go. Let's schedule the meeting. And so let's take a look at the agenda down here. It pulled in the agenda that was built custom for the other meeting. But this area right here under specific members, I'm going to need to go in there and edit that. I'm going to go ahead and change that to facilitator only, 20 minutes, update. So we've got a lot of time left to assign. Let's go ahead and just assign that to specific members. And I'll tell you what, we'll leave chill out, assign that thing to these people. Let's go ahead and update that. And so we're dead on our time budget. We've got 120 minutes. Everybody's picked but the facilitator, and let's go ahead and update. And so then this is our new meeting, and that gives you a great idea of how to use a meeting template to schedule a new meeting.